Once you have completely finished the recording process, you are now ready to publish your virtual tour. Click Publish, and the URL link that is generated automatically contains the EyeSpyPLAY video, which, as mentioned earlier, can be started by clicking on the play icon. Going back to the publishing window, another option you have is to turn on EyeSpyPLAY Auto Start. This will play the video straight away when a viewer looks at your virtual tour. Clicking on the Share Video button will export your EyeSpyPLAY video as an MP4 file. Once it has been fully exported, this can then be downloaded straight to your device, shared to YouTube, or posted to Facebook. This will be a standard MP4 video showing your recording of the property. The URL to the virtual tour will be posted in the description on YouTube and Facebook, so viewers can simply click this to access the tour and enjoy the whole EyeSpyPLAY experience. Please note that each time you re-record your EyeSpyPLAY video, you will need to republish your virtual tour too, as the URL link will be different for each new recording. And don't forget to change the link in every place you have previously shared your virtual tour. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy EyeSpyPLAY. Until next time, keep it 360.